Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming a few essentials. Smartphone with active SIM and government ID for verification. Once done, install Google Pay and grant SMS, location, and camera permissions. These let the app fetch OTPs and scan QR codes. Now open Google Pay and choose Profile right arrow Add Bank Account. You will verify via SMS OTP. Make sure to enter the exact mobile number linked to the bank, so the UPI setup works smoothly and avoids. You will now verify your bank and create a UPI PIN. After selecting your bank, Google Pay sends an OTP to your number to fetch account details. Once verified, choose to set a UPI PIN. If the app asks for your debit card last 6 digits, but you don't have a card, use the cardless PIN option or log into net banking to generate a temporary token. Make sure to follow prompts. The UPI PIN secures transactions, so pick a memorable, secure 4 or 6-digit code. You're ready to pay? Choose UPI ID, phone number, or scan a QR code. Enter amount and confirm with your UPI PIN. Once done, transactions hit the beneficiary instantly, and you can view receipts and activity. For higher limits, use bank transfer instead of wallet. Wallets may cap daily amounts. If verification or OTP fails, first check SMS permissions and signal. Next, ensure your number is registered with the bank. And finally, contact the bank to re-register or resolve blocks before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.